Okay, hello, welcome back to my long play of fucking Flashback. Come on, mate. Right. Get down there. Right, I've had to practice this a little bit because it's not straightforward. Surprise, surprise. Shit. Oh, God. Can you please... Some of that. Okay. Yeah, I haven't done that much. I'll tell you how far I've gone in a moment. Shall I save it? I'll tell you what, let's take out this other one first. Don't need to, but I fancy a bit of a fight. Right, come on, you bastard. What did I say? Unbelievable. Okay, right, gotta make... probably my shield is on 0 now. Yes, it is. Lovely. Okay. Shall I save it? Why not? Tit. Right, here we go. So this lair, alien lair, is quite tricky, but they introduce a new thing in a bit later on. It's a teleporter. We can start teleporting. Hey, somehow my shield's regenerated by 1. Right, where's... oh yeah, shit. Right, one of these guards dropped a key. And it's that one there. I practiced it to save me bimbling around, and what am I doing? Bimbling. Come on! Come on, Conrad. Save the fucking world. Right, key. In. Right, these little buggers here are a pain in the ass, but I've discovered a cheat of sorts. Oh, Christ. Front door. Sorry about that. That was the fire alarm guy who I have to let in every week. Okay, up you go. Right, this is the cheat. Just jump straight away. Doesn't affect you. Okay. Right. Okay, this is a timing thing. Just got to climb up here first. We can go to the right there, which I didn't actually know until... oh, I'll tell you in a minute. Yeah, I just assumed this was an isolated room, but you can go further to the right, but not yet. This joypad is going nuts. Okay, down here, let's recharge our shield. Yep, we know how to do that. Let's get our force field out. Not that I'll bloody use the thing. Okay, just got to kill this fucker. Yeah, so underneath him, one below me, there's 2 objects there. So that's what we need next. Oh, you swine. I've got to go straight on it. Yeah, these ones for some reason aren't the Terminator types. Okay, so let's pick this first one up. That's a teleporter receiver. This is the teleporter control. So basically what it means is you can chuck your receiver somewhere and then teleport to it. So this little trick here, this little puzzle, if you will, with this fire, it's impossible to get past it without doing this. I tried doing it and it wouldn't work, so this is what the teleporters for. So if we just chuck that over there, lovely. Now we can teleport straight to that point. Copy protection. Okay, like that, nice and easy. So there's probably going to be other puzzles involving this. Up you go. Okay. Brilliant. God, he's a swine. Look, how do you know I'm there? Bastard. Tell you, I am done with this. Okay, key. Lovely. Combat on this is kind of annoying at times, I must admit. Haha, so if you don't set your receiver, you just teleport to the same point. Right, I'm just going to go down there and get some more energy, but I'll spare you the misery. Okay, tally-ho, got our full energy now. Let's get the force field out. Oh, I don't need that actually, it doesn't matter. Right, next thing. This part, again, we can't get past conventionally. There's no way, with the way he climbs down, the speed he climbs down, we just get fried. So out comes the receiver. Chuck that swine. So this is what happened when I tried it yesterday. I was practicing. It went out the screen. I thought, what? It's glitched. It's gone into the nether world. So I thought, oh, let's teleport there and see where we end up. And it's just the next screen. Right, okay. Always remember to pick up your teleceiver, which does a fucking animation every bastard time. Let's get the old doodad out. Okay, so once we open that, we've got one of those bastard robots waiting for us, which is really fun. Okay, open that. Now peg it. Fuck! Fuck me. Okay, let's try that again. Only had to go back to the start, that's all. Right, this time... I'll tell you what, let's just climb straight away. Will that help? I don't know. Yes, okay. Right, what have we got up here? That's a lift. Something tells me the lift isn't there. Oh, and the door's locked. Okay. You know what this means, don't you? I'll tell you what, let's do a jump. Oh, good. Jolly good. Okay. Right, this is as far as I've ever got. Okay. Bloody hell. Right, if I drop down there, I'm dead. So how the hell do we open that? Oh, that's not good, is it? Ah, of course. Ingenious. We chuck our receiver down there, of course. Okay. Tally-ho. Brilliant. That's a nice little idea. Oh, look who's coming. Okay, now we've got the lift going. Let's just go up there just for shits and giggles. We'll probably have to come back up here, won't we? So this is a waste of time. Okay, right, that's how you get there. Okay, get that. That's just the lift back up. Okay, right, onwards. Oh, God. The hell is that? Oh dear. What are you doing, man? Get in there. Okay. That's going to open that, I imagine. Let's just jump over that. Or not. Fucking hell! Shit. What a horrible thing. Fortunately, it obeys more or less the same physics as the, or dynamics, as the Terminator chaps. What does that do? Nothing. Okay, was there anything over here? We've discovered a new form of life. A bloody alien bastard. Yep. Oh, he's a devil. Look at him. Ho ho ho! Good. Luckily he's not too much of a scoundrel. Okay. Oh, there's another one of them. Guess that didn't work. Oh, he's a bit of a devil. Quite cool. Oh shit. God, he's just gonna go for me now. Oh, he's a rock hard swine. Okay. Good. Hopefully we're supposed to be down here. I don't know. Maybe I should have left my teleport back there. That might have been a good idea. Let's save it anyway. Okay. Please open. Good. Oh, fuck. Oh, you swine. Am I supposed to be here yet? That's the question. I've missed quite a bit at the top. Ah. Oh, good. It's good to know. Right, I guess I'm just going to have to jump down here. Oh, Christ. Is that doing anything? It bloody was. Extraordinary. Okay. Hang on. Oh, oh my shoot, little devil. Oh, this isn't good. Okay. Oh, it doesn't know what to do. He's switched off. Right, that's the way to deal with these. Get right underneath them, they don't know what to do. Okay, we might be alright here now. Or will we? Oh, you devils. Oh, good. Two of the bastards. Ha! He was killing that. Good. Right underneath him. Yeah, doesn't know what to do. Poor devil. done for. Okay, right. Cheerio. Christ. Right, something tells me I wasn't supposed to come here, yeah? Tell you what, let's throw our doodad over there. Oh, it's gone right down there. Okay. Okay. We're on the mothership. Tree! Oh my god. Well, that wasn't too bad. Oh, lovely. Okay, there we are. Next level done. Thanks for watching. That was quite a quick one. I've got a feeling this one will be a bit more of a bastard. Thanks for watching. Next episode will be soon. Cheerio.